Dear learners, how are you? I am MD Hanif, Senior Teacher English, Mother Tech Abdul Aziz, School and College, Dhaka. I am here before you to teach a new lesson. Our today's lesson is transformation of sentences. Today we will teach about how to change or transform compound to simple. At first, we will have to know how we recognize the compound sentences. And, but, or, and so are the sign of compound sentences. To know the compound sentence, the sign and, but, or, and so help us to know or to recognize the sentences of compound. First rule, compound sentence with and generally change into simple according to the following rules. The rules is B1 plus ing, that pen jiran plus others, comma second clause. For example, he went there and met me. In Bengali সে সেখানে গিয়েছিল এবং আমার সঙ্গে দেখা করছিল. This one verb B1 from go. According to rules, you see B1 plus ing, going. Others, going there, comma I meet, sorry, he met, he subject here, he met me. I went there and visited him. Here also went. Here went go, from go, when come from go. Going there, comma I visited him. This one first rule. Now come to the second rules. Now my dear learners, rule second, compounds with and, but if there is any cause before and, যদি এন্ডের পূর্বে কোনো কারণ থাকে, the sentence will be changed into simple according to the following rules. The rules is because of plus possessive form of subject plus B1 plus ing plus others plus second clause. For example, he was ill and he couldn't attend school. This one cause before and, he was ill, it's a cause. Because of being ill, because of his, he থেকে his, possessive of subject, his being. You know, am is or was where come from be. Be is the present form of am is or was where. So, because of his being ill, comma he couldn't attend school. He went there, example B, he went there and he could meet me. Because of his going there, because of his going there, he could meet me. He went there and he could meet me. সে সেখানে গিয়েছিল এবং আমার সাথে দেখা করেছিল। Compound, because of his going there, তার সেখানে যাওয়ার কারণে হি কুড মিট মি, সে আমার সঙ্গে দেখা করতে পারছিল। মাই ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, কাম টু দ্য নেক্সট রুলস। মাই ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, রুল 3, compound sentence with but changes into simple according to the following rules. The rules is in spite of plus possessive form of subject plus b1 plus ing plus others, comma second clause. In spite of in Bengali means সত্ত্বেও, সত্ত্বেও। For example, he is poor but he is honest. Here but যুক্ত compound. Here the compound with but. They were rich but they were unhappy. I went there but I could not meet you. According to rules, in spite of his being poor, comma second clause. Here omitted but. He is honest. He is honest. Sorry, he. They were rich but they were unhappy. In spite of their possessive form of subject they are here, of their being ing form of verb, being rich, দুনিয়া সত্ত্বেও they were unhappy. I went there but I couldn't meet you. In spite of my going there, আমার সেখানে যাওয়া সত্ত্বেও I could not meet you, আমি তোমার সাথে দেখা করতে পারি নাই। I couldn't meet you. In Bengali, he is poor but he is honest. সে গরিব কিন্তু সে সৎ। In spite of his being poor, he is honest. গরিব হওয়া সত্ত্বেও সে সৎ। They were rich but they were unhappy. তা ছিল দনিত কিন্তু তারা ছিল অসুখী। দুনিয়া সত্ত্বেও in spite of their being rich, they were unhappy. দুনিয়া সত্ত্বেও তারা ছিল অসুখী। I went there but I could not meet you. In spite of my going there, আমার সেখানে যাওয়া সত্ত্বেও I could not meet you, আমি তোমার সঙ্গে সাক্ষাৎ করতে পারি নাই। My dear learners, come to the next rule. Okay, my dear learners, rule 4. Compound with or changes into simple according to the following rules. The rules is without plus gerund. Gerund means b1 plus ing plus others, comma second clause. For example, read more or you will fail. Don't do the sum or you will be punished. Move or you will die. Here, according to rules, without moving, without reading. This one gerund, reading, b1 plus ing. Reading more, comma second clause, you will fail. Read more, বেশি পড়ো, না হয় তুমি ফেল করবা, or you will fail. In simple, without reading more, বেশি পড়া ছাড়া, বেশি পড়া ব্যতীত, you will fail, তুমি ফেল করবে। Without means in Bengali ছাড়া or ব্যতীত। Do the sum or you will be punished. Without doing the sum, অঙ্কটি করা ছাড়া, without doing the sum, you will be punished. মুভ or you will die. নড়ো না হয় তুমি মরবে। Without moving you will die. Without moving, comma, second clause, you will die. Okay, my dear learners, today we have learned how to change compound to simple. And, but, or, and so, you know the sign of compound sentences. These are complete tools how to change compound to simple, my dear learners. Okay, my dear learners, if you practice more and more at home, it will be easy to you to learn. Tomorrow, that means in the next classes, we shall discuss how to change or transform complex to simple. Today our class finished here. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next class.